Hey guys, welcome back to Qara's Kitchen, and today we are making a Philly cheesesteak. So of course you want to prep your peppers and your onions and just dice them up into small pieces. Or you can just buy it already chopped in the store. Doesn't matter, it's up to you. And I'm also going to be cutting up half of an onion. Now that we've chopped up all of our veggies, we are going to start cutting and trimming our steak. And you want to try to cut the steak into thin pieces, or as thin as you can possibly get it. Now you just want to saute your veggies. So after you get your veggies sauteed, I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of garlic. After you get that garlic sauteed in there, you're going to add your meat and your seasoning. You can season your meat however you like, but of course I'm using my Tony's garlic and onion powder, my roasted garlic from McCormick, and my steak seasoning from McCormick. And I will link everything I used in the description box below. And you should get something like this when everything is cooked. And I am just adding white American cheese on top. You can use whatever cheese you like. It's ideal to use provolone with Philly cheesesteak, but all I had was American cheese on hand. As you can see, I'm just laying it on top and allowing it to melt. So off camera, I toasted my bun, and I'm just gonna add extra mayo on mine because that's how I like my Philly cheesesteak. You can dress your Philly cheesesteak however you like it, but all I like on mine is extra mayo. And we're just gonna take that meat that we cooked and we're gonna slide that over to our bun. Once you finish setting up your sandwich, you should have something like this, a super savory Philly cheesesteak. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.